I'm Dr. Philip Landrigan. I'm a pediatrician. I chair the Department of Preventive Medicine in the Icahn School of Medicine at Mount Sinai, and I run the Children's Environmental Health Center at Mount Sinai, which is a research unit that studies the impacts of pesticides and other toxic chemicals on the health of children. Well, crumb rubber is produced by grinding up old tires, mostly truck tires, to create little pellets. And those pellets are then used in various places around the United States to build playing fields and playgrounds. They're put on children's playgrounds, football fields, track stadiums, and in many cases they're marketed under such terms as synthetic turf. Well, crumb rubber fields and synthetic turf fields have several health hazards. No question that the best documented health hazard of synthetic turf fields is heat. The black crumb rubber on a hot summer day can absorb an enormous amount of solar radiation and then radiate it back out. And in the summer months, temperatures of 130, 140 degrees Fahrenheit have been measured 3 or 4 feet above the surface of crumb rubber fields on hot afternoons, precisely at the height where a child would be running and playing. And it is simply very unhealthy for little kids to be running around, or even big kids or adults to be running around and trying to play vigorous sports in temperatures of 130, 140 degrees.